I think probably the biggest thing is that we go out and we play well, because a lot of the former players come back, alums come back. Normally, traditionally, we have a tremendous crowd, and but I think ultimately, it comes down to any other game for us on the field. It's important to play well.
It's always like a huge hype. I mean, everyone's back, got all those fans screaming for you. It's a great atmosphere.
Here again, I think ultimately, when it comes down to it, it's it's another game for us. Yes, there is the tradition of former players coming back and the alums coming back, and I think it does generate maybe off the field more excitement, which maybe carries on to the field, but. Our guys get excited about every game they play in.
We should have a lot of fans there. I mean, our game's at 4 on Friday, so it's pretty exciting.
It's always exciting. The kids are always fired up and ready to play, and then the crowd obviously makes a big difference. But we've been pretty fortunate. We've had some really good supportive crowds that are pretty boisterous, and I think I definitely agree that the homecoming game is always a little bit bigger than every other game.
Yeah, it makes me really excited. Everyone's talking about Boro-Palooza and football game and our game, and it's just really exciting to be part of something so big and so exciting, and seeing all our friends come back. A lot of our soccer team is coming back for the game, so really excited to see everyone, and it should be a good turnout. So.
And actually be able to experience homecoming with all the events going on and the alumni that come back, and it makes it more exciting. I think it actually gives playing at home for homecoming gives us a little bit of an edge, I think, on the court.
It's just, I love being a part of the volleyball team, and the importance of it is just for everyone coming back, and they're all going to support us. So this makes it a big game because everyone's just coming back, supporting you, and it's our first home one, so it's going to be big.
We've got 2 tough matches, Gannon and Mercyhurst, and both crosstown rivals, and it's going to be tough. They're both solid teams, and I just think we need to make sure that we can control the ball, control our side of the court, keep our intensity level up, and stay focused on what we're trying to accomplish on the court, and I think we should be okay.
I mean, especially since it's our first one, because, everyone likes to play at home, and, just having our home base and lots of people there. I know all of our families are coming up. Hope the students come out and all the alumni. It'll just be a big one.
Well, it's also the first home match of the year for us, so the girls are very excited. I think that's definitely going to play to our favor. The excitement of the first home match, plus having all the fans and things, and all the extra people on campus will, only help us, I'd say.
I can't wait to, whenever I graduate and all that, I can't wait to come back and watch the volleyball team play. Even football too. Good luck to all the sports, but yeah, I'm proud to be an Edinboro Scot.